Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Do you all know how easy it is to prepare your own hair oil? Instead of loading our hair with chemical and scented oil, why not to take 30 minutes of our time and prepare chemical free, organic, natural hair oil found in ingredients that are found in every Indian kitchen. Ingredients we need: 1 cup of coconut oil, or you can use according to your need. For 1 cup of coconut oil, I have taken 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds and 10 to 15 curry leaves. And then take a kadai and pour the coconut oil into it and let the oil heat. Once the oil gets heat, we can add fenugreek seeds and let it boil until the seeds turn its color to golden brown, but remember, do not burn the seeds. Now we can add curry leaves and allow it to boil until the seeds turn dark brown and oil change its color. Fenugreek seeds are a rich source of protein and nicotinic acid, both of which can be beneficial for your hair growth. Also helps to get rid of dandruff. Curry leaves, on the other hand, are rich source of beta carotene and protein that can reduce hair fall and boost hair growth. The antioxidants in curry leaves provide strength to the hair follicles and control hair loss. They also moisturize the scalp and improve blood circulation in the scalp. Now allow the oil to cool using a strainer. Strain the oil and collect it in a container and store it in a room temperature until a month, and you can use this oil once or twice in a week. I hope you all like this video. Don't forget to like, share and do subscribe and leave your valuable comments in the comment section. Bye guys.